Hello and welcome to this video about the XIMES Disport. I'm Thomas Tippel, I'm a senior consultant with XIMES and I'm happy to guide you through the next few minutes.
This video shows the features of the Disport demo version 5.5. First, log into the Disport. Then you will come directly to your personal homepage in the Disport. There you will find colored tiles, which helps you finding your way through the other pages within the Disport. First, I'll give you an overview of a typical Disport page. We're going to the overview. There you can see a typical page with 3 different portlets. A portlet is these little windows having data on it or allowing to interact with your calculations, or they might help you navigating through the pages. You can also navigate over the navigation tree here on the left hand side, or here at the top you can go to your home page, to the previous page, or to the next page. Let's go back to our home page. Apart from the tiles, there are 2 different other kinds of portlets. One are display portlets, portlets that show data to you in different manners, and interaction portlets. They allow you to interact with your calculations, or they help you initializing calculations processes. Let's start with the display portlets. They show data to you in different kinds. Most of the portlets have few functions in common. You can print them, you can refresh them, or you can browse through pages. What you can see here first is a simple grid. It shows data in a spreadsheet which can contain date and time, values, or texts. If needed, you can export them to Microsoft Excel. The next one is the This chart. This is a simple chart showing data to you, for example here on a timeline with different lines. The next one is the interactive chart. A chart that allows you to zoom into the data and to select or unselect data. Zooming works like this. You click on the mouse button, hold it, move to the right and release it again. You see, we have now zoomed in to about approximately 5 weeks of the whole period. For zooming out, make the same move from the right to the left. If I want to hide some data, simply click onto the eye in the chart legend. The quick view shows data to you over a period of time and its trend. For example, here you can see the last values here in the chart and the values written down here in the middle. A very nice visualization is the gauge. This shows you the current value and the classification for each identifier. For example, here for different shops in different cities. The last visualization portlet is the HTML portlet, which can show you some data or some content from the World Wide Web. For example, XIMES.com. Now let's move on to the interaction portlets. With the interaction portlets, you can update your calculations with your own inputs. At the controller portlet, you can enter names, choose dates and times, or enter values. You can also check or uncheck boxes. If the portlet turns yellow, this means that you've changed some data and that the calculation needs to be recalculated. In the editable grid, data is edited directly in the grid. Simply click onto the cell and type in the new information. You can also change dates, numbers, or check or uncheck boxes. You can add additional rows, or you can delete rows. If you've changed something in the grid, it turns yellow again. This means save data. You can also edit the data via Microsoft Excel. For that, go to Copy Paste Table, where a new window opens. Copy the content and paste it into Microsoft Excel. There you can edit or extend the selection. or you can change the data. Then copy the data field, go back to the window and choose Paste Contents, paste them there, and click onto Insert Lines. Save the grid again. Often it is necessary to filter data. The multi-select filter filters data in up to 3 data columns. You can choose one or several inputs. If you want to choose several inputs, use the Control button or the Shift button. If you have done your selection, press on Filter. These were the main features of the Disport 5.5. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to call us or send us an email. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.